What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a high fade on my boy Felipe, so stay tuned. We're going to start off by debulking the top with a 3 guard all the way open. Once we're done debulking, we're going to move on to our Goat FX and create our first guideline. I've always liked to use my trimmers to bald out. It's just my preference. Now that we're done balding them out, we're going to start off with our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Using the lever all the way closed and midway will help you remove that initial guideline. Now that we erased our initial guideline, we're going to move on to our 1 guard all the way open. We're using the 1 guard to soften up the line and get it ready for the half guard. Now that we're done softening up the line, moving on to our half guard will help us erase the line. Moving on to our 2 guard all the way open, we're going to soften up the line and get it ready for our 1.5 guard. Now that we softened up the line, we're moving on to our 1.5 guard and removing the line completely. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Moving on to the back side, I try to make my guideline a little bit thicker than usual due to the occipital bone and the high density in the back area. Using our no guard all the way closed, we're going to slightly blend out that initial guideline. Moving on to the one guard all the way open, we're going to create our third guideline and get it ready to be removed with the half guard. Now that we're done softening up the line with the one guard, we're going to move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. We're going to blend this guideline out with our 1.5 guard. There were a few dark spots that I feel like that needed to be erased, and also a few details that I needed to add. So I went back to my one guard and half guard and removed those. My client's hairline is very small, so we're going to create the box. When it comes to these type of lineups, you want to make sure you take your time and slowly etch in the line. There's a little bit of a dark spot that I saw, so I went back to my clipper over comb and removed it. you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Moving on to the beard section, we're gonna slowly blend in his beard. Starting off with the no guard all the way open, 1 guard, and then 2 guard. You always want to make sure you don't press too hard on the lip area because you could bite him with your teeth. We're gonna freehand the beard a little bit. He didn't want it taken down too much, so we're just removing the flyaway hairs. You always want to make sure you comb the beard out before you start lining it up, just so you can show the true length. We're gonna apply a hot towel to his face to soften up the hair follicles. You always want to leave the hot towel on for about 30 to 45 seconds, nothing too long so it doesn't get cold. Using our Turkish razor, we're gonna make him as crispy as possible.